This video shows you how to change your username on Facebook quickly and easily using the Facebook mobile app. Your username is the unique name that appears in your Facebook profile link, URL, and helps people find your account more easily. If you want to update it for personal branding, privacy, or simply because you've changed your name online, follow these simple steps. Open the Facebook app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Tap the menu icon, which is located in the bottom right corner on an iPhone or the top right corner on an Android device. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. At the top of the Settings page, tap Account Center, where you can manage your connected Meta accounts. Next, tap Profiles and choose the Facebook profile you want to update if you have more than one profile. Select Username to access your current username settings. Enter the new username you'd like to use. Facebook will automatically check whether the username is available. If you see a green check mark, it means your chosen username is available and can be used. If it's unavailable, try adding numbers, initials, or slight variations until you find one that's accepted. Once you've chosen an available username, tap Done to save your changes. Your new username will be updated immediately, and your Facebook profile link will also reflect the new username. Keep in mind that Facebook usernames must be unique and follow the platform's guidelines. Avoid using special characters, symbols, or offensive words, and choose a username that represents you or your brand clearly. If you've recently changed your username, Facebook may limit how frequently you can change it again. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Facebook username. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need assistance. And don't forget to keep your profile information up to date for the best Facebook experience.